And then what are the other things we are doing? It's also important that all these students will have breakfast, lunch and evening snack. If the students want to stay back and play for some more time or learn computers by after 3:30 or 4 o'clock, that facility also we are trying to provide. Another important thing we need to explain is that all the students will come to school in a bus. And our research has indicated that parents want to have a transport facility. So we are providing transport facility. They can start from their homes around 8:15, 8:30, and they can be here in the school at Arutla by about 9 o'clock, and then the midday meal scheme is there. Then they are given breakfast, the midday meal scheme is there. They are given snacks, and they are given, we have ensured quality of water. We have developed absolutely top class, excellent facility in terms of providing good facility for food.